First, we turn on our multimeter, then to measure the resistance, we set our multimeter to 200 ohms. Our resistor should read between 2.2 ohm and 3.6 ohm, then our multimeter will read from 2.2 ohm to 3.6 by placing one probe on one leg and one probe on the other leg. Now, as we can see, the ohm of our resistor is correct, so we can fit it on our airbag. Before we install our resistor, we want to find out what is the problem with our car with the OBD scanner. So now our scanner shows us that the airbag on the driver's side is disconnected. Most of the time when our airbags go off, the airbag symbol on our dashboard stays on. If even one airbag on either side explodes or has a problem, our car's computer shuts down all the airbags. Now we bring the 3.6 ohm resistor from the previous circuit and put one leg on the other leg on the wires that go to the airbag and make our computer think there is an airbag. Finally, after we are done with our resistor, we turn our car key off and on. When we turn it off and on, our airbag indicator should turn on and off. As you can see, when we turn our car key off and turn it on, our airbag signal is on and off, so we have tricked our computer. So today's video looks like this. Thank you for watching.